So hey guys, here it's Rona presenting over a new video, and the topic for today's video is form filling. So in this particular video I shall be stating about how you can earn money through form filling. But yes, before proceeding further, I would like to make sure that if you are a new viewer of my channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and also to get the details or to get with the steps quite easily, don't stop or pause the video in between. Okay, if you miss one of the step, it might cause some kind of error while you are doing it in practicality. Okay, so form filling is a good career option, not exactly career option, but it's a part-time option through which you can earn rupees 250. 250 is a minimal one, just you can also earn more than that. And furthermore in the video I shall be stating you about, or I shall be giving you two screenshots from which you can get the assurance that yes, you can earn rupees 250. That how I will be showing you that how I have earned rupees 250 from this form filling. Okay, so this is a quite good option through which you can earn rupees 250, and this 250 you can earn simultaneously as many as form filling you will do. You will earn rupees 250 through paytm cash. You will get the cashback through paytm. So just stay tuned with the video and don't skip any of the the steps, so that it might not create some kind of problem when you are doing it in practicality. So just stay with the video and listen to all the steps carefully. Friends, our first website, whose name is 99acres.com. So friends, I personally advise you not to directly go with Google search, because otherwise you won't get the Paytm cash. When you go by link, you can see this highlighted point. Basically, firstly, a interface would appear in front of you. Here in point number 2, you can see rupees 100 Paytm cashback is payable for NCR, MMR, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad and Chennai cities only. So you only need to fill up the form here. Friends, you can get to know how to earn from Paytm. So to know further, subscribe the channel to get notified about all sorts of latest online options. So don't forget to click the notification bell. Friends, I can assure you can very easily earn rupees 250 per day if you go according to the said steps. So firstly, from this interface you need to click the first option of offer terms and conditions. So now I shall show you by filling up a form from which you would get rupees 100, and simultaneously from the second one get rupees 150. So for the first form, click on got it. Now these are the steps which you need to listen minutely, so we can see write a review. So friends, this particular section is asking about your review. Guys, basically this 99acres.com deals with real estate things and does transaction in all sorts of property sellings, that is with the selling and buying of properties, and in short it deals with all property related transactions. So it is asking about your review here. It is asking if you reside in Delhi, Bangalore or in any corner of the world. You need to drop down some words here. Now supposingly I am from Delhi NCRC, so you can give the name of any apartment. So I give here defense, and guys, again, don't just copy paste from here, otherwise you won't get your cashback. Put something different, like I drop here defense colony. Instead you can also give Krishnakunj colony. Names of different apartments will be available here, like Ramkrishna Nagar, Rajkot, Krishna Bihar, Delhi North. Different societies will be appearing and you need to put them, like I write here defense. Now you need to know this properly. Now secondly, it is asking you about your locality, that is it will be asking that the locality in which you are residing, are you yourself is the owner of that locality, or you are the tenant or former. People are actually getting money for the review, but guys, you need to select owner, tenant, former. And friends, I assure you that you can earn rupees 250 Paytm very easily, all at a glance, provided if you follow the steps. Now click on this owner. So before, I would like to show you some payment proofs which I have got from some websites. I have filled up a form earlier from where I earned rupees 100, as you can see, and from another website I have got rupees 150, as you can see clearly the payments from both the screenshots. So you need to click on owner and then to proceed. Now one thing to be kept in mind, normally people just click on 5 ratings very casually, right? They think that okay, I shall click on the 5 of the stars to get a good impression, to give a good impression to that particular company or website, whatever you say. Okay, but no, you need to give a genuine review, because the 99 acres also get to know very easily that there is something wrong when you give 5 stars, that is the review given out is fake. So I shall now, as you can see, connectivity and commute, where I give 5 rating, you need to increase and decrease with the rating. You need not go with the same rating, and again, don't do it as it is, because if you get something very common, you won't get your Paytm cashback. So you need to keep this in mind. Here in lifestyle and facilities, I give 3 ratings. In safety and security, I give 4 ratings. Scrolling down in environment, I give 1 rating. Now you can see what are the positives, that is what are the positive things you feel in the apartment. I have prepared some of my points, but you can normally go to Google and search by typing Krishna Kunj apartment, along with I write reviews, and after I write reviews you can see I click on any apartment, and at the first glance itself I can see some reviews, and thereafter I shall copy some notions from there and write it here. So as it is asking what are the positives, so I have already prepared some, but you can also copy, but don't copy exactly the whole, because otherwise that might cause some sort of problem. So here I write good place nearer to park and metro station, and so here goes with I go with the positive reviews, and here in select positive I click safe night, then hospitals are nearby, so I am done with it. And don't overcrowd it, that is don't just select too many, because at the end it will make a dump one, right? So now it is asking about what are the negative points. So here I write very congested small apartments and no proper parking place. So guys, it directly won't become copy paste, so you need to fill it all by yourself accordingly. Then in select negative points, I go for unhygienic, as in the positive review I have already chosen nearby to park. So here I can't select or go for no parks, or parks not maintained, and moreover I can't change it now. So I go for high pollution and then click on post review section. Then again now the section of positive review is showing some sort of error, that is nothing but character should be of 50 characters. So here I put schools are nearby. So after writing this I scroll down and click on post a review. Now here comes the most crucial point where you need to give your full concentration, that is the giving up your name which you have used in your paytm, that should be the same. So supposingly I type here Vishal, and here it is asking for your email ID. So you need to give the proper email ID, don't give a fake one. So here I type a proper email ID. So I have given the proper email ID. So guys, in the slot of mobile number, you need to give the number which is linked with your Paytm, and here it is highlighted. Please enter 10-digit valid mobile number linked with Paytm. So you need to the same. So I have entered the mobile number linked with Paytm and click on post now. Now you can see your review is under moderation. Paytm cash will be credited in your wallet within 10 business days. So guys, our first one is submitted, and here 10 days here just have been said, but mainly they will firstly look after your reviews, and nearly within 48 hours you shall get your amount credited. I have also got the same, and the earlier 2 screenshots shows you that very clearly. Now let's go to another website, and the name of the another website is shiksha.com. Similarly, in this website also you need to enter your name, email, mobile number, college, the college you are reviewing. After you fill up all this, click on more details, and after you get done with everything, you will also get the Paytm cash of rupees 150. So guys, this was all about the procedure following which you can earn rupees 250 by the form filling. Okay, so how easy the steps are, right? So why to waste your time when you can devote your worthful time in doing all this, doing this sort of part-time option from which you can actually gain out something, right? Because in today's society, earning matters a lot at the end of the day. Okay, so why to waste your time in some sort of useless deeds? Instead, just go and grab out the part-time options and earn out something from there. Okay, so till then, this was all about today's topic, and I shall be coming further more with such kind of online part-time career options. So till then, stay tuned with my channel, and again, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. So till then, stay tuned with my channel, and thank you.